For all the budding plantitos and plantitas out there, investing in good quality gardening tools is a must for a healthy plant life. Good thing Wilcon has a diverse collection of gardening essentials that will make our plantita life a wonderful experience. From unique pots and decor to heavy-duty tools, Wilcon has got you covered.
We are known for providing extensive home building and improvement product choices, and of course, delivering exceptional customer experience. We call them the Wilcon brand of experience, wherein we commit ourselves to help build, improve, and refine the homes of every Filipino for a sustainable and comfortable life. That is our mission in this industry. During these times, it is imperative that we clean our household and disinfect every corner of our homes. Knowing all the current needs of our customers, Wilcon makes sure that we have all of these products available in our stores, which are sanitizers, alcohols, cleaning detergents, bleaches, hand gloves, microfiber cloth, sponge, scoring pads, mops, vacuum, foot bath, air purifier, brushes, trash bins, lather, pressure cleaners, UVC light, drainage cleaner, and other cleaning materials, which are all available at Wilcon, so you don't need to go far. Wilcon has an abundance of product choices that will surely help you in cleaning and sanitizing your homes. With the intensified concerns when it comes to health, hygiene, and standards of sanitation, many homeowners are now improving their homes with touchless technologies, and you can only find it at Wilcon. So basically, these products work with motion sensors or gesture recognition, allowing a simple wave of the hand to activate the devices without touching them. We've covered nearly everything you need for a safe and hands-free home, from soap dispensers, trash bins, and when you want to upgrade your kitchen and bathroom fixtures, Wilcon offers touchless faucets, hand dryers, and even water closets. We all have these smart products. And aside from that, you'll notice that homeowners are now fond of home gardening. If you just found your new hobby and you want to enjoy and spend time in your backyard with your families, you can have all your gardening tools needs, from seeds, pots, gloves, watering can, hose, set of hand trowels, cultivators, transplanters, shears, pruning tools, garden fork, rake, spade, hoe, wheelbarrow, and many, many more. Wilcon actually is a great gardening section of everything you need to accomplish your home gardening project. This unprecedented situation has led Wilcon to think of innovative ways on how to continuously serve the Filipino community. You can find anything you need for your home at Wilcon with the thousands of products to choose from.